No PC, no problem? ViewPro 1080p video recorder might just replace your capture card forever. Ever felt like your content dreams are held hostage by flaky gear? You're mid-game, mid-vlog, or mid-VHS nostalgia trip, and your screen blacks out. No signal. No recording. No playback. Just vibes and wasted time. Whether you're a streamer, archivist, or just trying to digitize grandma's home videos, it's beyond annoying. You shouldn't need a PhD in HDMI just to record in 1080p. And let's be honest, dealing with clunky PCs, capture cards, and 10 feet of cabling just to hit record is a modern nightmare. Frustration? Meet ViewPro. Here's where the pain really punches. You're juggling inputs, missing moments, and drowning in tech chaos. Game night? Lost footage. A once-in-a-lifetime speech? Gone. The deadline for that YouTube upload you promised? Missed, again. You know that creeping burnout, where even fun stuff feels like work? Yeah, that's what bad tools do. They steal your time, kill your focus, and crush your motivation. Even worse? Your competitors are uploading in crisp HD while you're still fumbling with a capture card that ghosts mid-session. Your momentum doesn't just stall, it dies. Enter the Cloner Alliance ViewPro, your new MVP for plug-and-play content domination. This isn't just another recorder. It's a standalone 1080p at 60 frames per second beast with a 7-inch LCD screen, so you can capture, preview, and playback without even needing a TV or computer. Want to record from a camcorder, console, drone, or VHS? It's all here: HDMI, VGA, AV, YPBPR, ViewPro eats formats for breakfast. Schedule recordings, capture old analog tapes, stream gameplay live, and even drop your own voiceover via the 3.5mm mic jack. It's like having a full studio in one compact, portable box. Let's talk perks. Record straight to USB or SD, auto-schedule your sessions, preview instantly on a crisp LCD, and playback without ever booting a PC. This thing supports 4K input, converts analog to digital like a boss, and even includes bundled software for streaming and editing if you want to level up your post-production. With intuitive setup, remote control playback, and dedicated customer support, you're covered whether you're a casual recorder or hardcore archivist. ViewPro simplifies your workflow, sharpens your focus, and boosts performance from the first press of the record button. Want to see it in action? Scroll up. Don't wait until your next recording fails to make the switch. Thousands of creators, educators, archivists, and gamers have already upgraded and swear by it. ViewPro units move fast, especially during sales. If you're serious about your content, your memories, or just saving your sanity, don't sleep on this. Portable. Powerful. PC optional. Whether you're capturing history or creating the next viral masterpiece, the moment to act is now. Hit that buy button. Hit it like your next upload depends on it, because it just might.